What's up you guys, this is Chris for Hustle and Bustle, and today we're going to talk about streams of income and how many do I personally have. Open with a joke. That face is joke enough. Alright, so from what I know, the rich person, whatever that means, they have on average 7 streams of income. And because I wanted to be a rich person, I started doing different businesses and getting different avenues of income. And if you haven't seen my video about my laws, my rules of business, they're right here. And I've listed them and explained to them in another video. I'm gonna link it up here, and hope you guys enjoy it. Now, before we continue with that video, please consider subscribing, give me a thumbs up if you enjoy that content and you want me to grow the channel and continue making videos like this. Alright, so first things first, ATMs is how I started. Although I did not want to do ATMs, I wanted to do vending machines, and now I do not do vending machines. I just sell the accounts and I sell the vending machines, basically the contracts for the vending machines, because it's too much hassle. There's pros and cons to each business, and some of them fit into my model that I showed you earlier and some of them don't. Alright, I have 12 ATMs, 10 of them are mine and 2 of them I vote for. They cost me total of, now there's going to be a ballpark number in some of the statistics, but $23,000. I also have a ATM trailer that I've used one time. If you guys are interested in buying an ATM trailer and you live in Southeast Florida, please contact me. I'm looking to sell it because I don't have time to go to events. Now my income in total is $3,800 for that $23,000 investment. That does not include the ATM trailer, by the way. And basically my passive income per month that I'm going to include in this video will be $993, which is what I made last month. And I give it a passive score, 80% passive, because I have to go more than once a month. Now, if you want to fill in more money and go, just once a month, that's fine. If you want to fill less money, you can go twice a month, or you can go every week. It's up to you. Business number 2, actually those next few businesses are under one LLC, but that doesn't matter. Stream of income number 2, claw machines. I got 4 of them. They cost me $10,400 and they have made me so far $740. Now, to go back to the ATMs, I started I think June last year, but I had only one ATM for the longest time. That ATM, the first account that I had, made me $15 for 3 months. That was awesome. So after that I bought another one. That's why my stats increase. Just as a quick example, I'm just going to read you here. Actually, I'm going to include a picture here to see how actually the income progressed from $46, then to $50, to $30, $380, $450, so on and so forth, to $993 last month. But same with the claw machine. I made $740 so far, but at first I placed one, then after 3 months I think I placed my second one, and then after a month or so last month, I placed 2 more. So I'm putting $350 towards passive income. This is calculated based on last month. That should increase. And I put 90% passive because I need to go once a month. Stream of income number 3, Gumball Machines or candy machines. I have 75 of them. I have placed 25. I have 50 more to place. They have cost me $9,771, and so far I've made $470, and that's actually a gross number, not a net number, but I don't want to go into details. On average they make me $10 per machine, so I put $250 towards passive income. Passiveness level 90, actually it should be 95%, because you can go once every 3 months or once every 6 months to those machines. You don't need to go every month. Stream of income number 4, coin pushers, my favorite. Coin pushers, actually if you need, or if you know someone that needs an ATM in their location, a claw machine, gumball machine, or a coin pusher, please let me know and help me grow my business and help me retire, guys. If you need some help with setting up your ATM business or anything of that nature, or you want to buy an ATM or a gumball or anything else, I can help you out with that. I don't have a course or anything like that yet. Maybe I'll do in the future if need be. Haven't started charging money for that yet. A few of you have reached out to me and I gave you advice for free. Advice that I basically studied and did a lot of mistakes to learn, so it's for free. Or you can buy me a beer sometime. I drink Corona. Coin pushers, I got 5 of them. They cost me $8,822 in total. My total income from them is $1,500, and I put passive per month $300. It should be more, but I just put 300 for now. 90% passive. You can go more than once a month if you want to. Stream number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Income stream number 5, digital advertisement. I have talked about it a little bit before. I'm not gonna go into detail, I'm just gonna give you the stats. I have 6 of them, cost me about $1,000 for all 6. I have made so far $100 from it. I advertise for free a lot of the businesses that I have my other machinery. For now, this year I'm gonna let it run for free. It's just my strategy. $50 a month passive income, it's 100% passive. There's really nothing I can do. Maybe it's 99% passive. Next stream of income, I think is number 6, massage chair. I have 1. It cost me $1,800 so far. It had made me $48 for the last maybe 4 months. I put here $10 a month that it makes me. It's 95+% passive because I cannot go there for half a year. I mean, you don't need to do anything on the massage chair. Income stream number 7 is merchant services. I have 1 account so far that I installed last week. I don't know if it had made me like a couple of dollars or something. I spent $155 for it. I don't need to spend them, but usually the merchant buys the machine. I decided to buy this machine. It's my personal decision. You don't have to do it. I put here $0 per month in passive income for now, and it's absolutely passive. Stream of income number 8 is TURO, which I have few videos about it. Maybe I'm gonna list one right here just to see what it is. It does give me $1,000 a month income so far. Now I put as a passive income per month 0 because basically I did not include costs, because the car cost $57,000, but the car is a business expense and I'm gonna deduct all the mileage. It does help me with paying the payment, which is $750, plus insurance. I think it's $130, but let's round it up to $150. So $900 goes for expenses for the car. The income is $1,000, and $100 I keep for reserves for tires before I sell the car, or we'll see what the plan is. But this is just another business that I get to drive a brand new 2021 vehicle, my dream car. And also it's a business expense, so I deduct the miles when I go around my ATM accounts and my candy machine accounts. So for TURO, I put 0 passive income. I think 0 is fair. Income stream number 9, this is my poker channel and poker coaching. Some of you may know, some of you may not. I used to be a professional poker player, but I realized that this is a very, very active business. That's why I shifted towards real estate, which we're gonna get into a little bit later. There's no cost really associated with that. You just need to study your butt off, and it costs you a lot of money to learn because you lose money when you make mistakes. Now so far I've made $3,000 for 30 hours. That's last year's statistics, so $66 an hour for my coaching. I charge between $50 and $75 an hour, and I put here $166. This is combined last year and this year. Not very passive income, but it is $166 a month. This is from, I have a poker course for beginners. You can check it. I'll list the link down below with a coupon code just for you. It's 30% off, and it's pretty cheap. Next stream of income is hard money lending or private money lending. I have video on that. I'll link it here and down below. If you're still watching, guys, and enjoy that footage, drop a like. It costs you nothing, and it increases your potential passive income per month. So hard money lending, I work with about $100,000 that are not mine. I buy them from somebody else that I pay 8 to 10% a year, and I sell that money for 16 to 20% a year. So without going too much detail, I make about $10,000 a year with somebody else's money, which is $833 a month, which is fully passive. I don't need to do anything except going to the bank, wiring the money, and that's that. Income stream number 11 is my buy and hold properties. I have 3. I have invested in total to purchase the properties $25,000. Now, of course, I've invested more into changing roofs and HVACs, and I think I bought a washing machine. I'm not gonna go into detail, but to buy the properties, those 3 properties that I bought, I've spent $25,000, considering my second property I bought with $0. So what are you gonna do? That brings me about $1,000 per month in passive income. All of those properties are worth $480,000, so close to $500,000 of controlling assets. Of course, I have mortgage on them. This is not my net worth. I put here 90% passive, and I'm gonna put it as $1,000 passive income. Although it might not be super accurate number because you might account some for reserves. Number 12 is my 50-50 partnership with a friend of mine from Bulgaria, which is where I'm from. It is dropshipping. He does the majority of the work. I have the company. It's under my name, under my social security. I pay the taxes and so on and so forth. I'm not gonna go into more detail. Cost, not really a cost. I think it cost us $125 to register an LLC, and that was it. It brought us so far $3,000 for the last 3 months, which is $1,000 a month, or I'm gonna put $500 passive income, and I put 80% passive because I still need to do a few calls here and there with suppliers and stuff like that. So in total, I got $4,452 in passive income monthly. My goal to retire is $5,000. Now again, those numbers will fluctuate. The $1,000 from the buy and hold property, I'm not 100% on board with that. It might be a little bit less, a little bit more. It depends how much repairs you have during the year, but that's why you got reserves. All in all, they are good streams of income. And on top of that, I do have a W2 job that I work 4 days a week, which brings even more money so I can pay off the merchandise that I bought. I think I spent about $30,000 for like less than 3 days last month. So I'm definitely gonna need the money to pay that debt. So that's the video for today. I hope I didn't make it too long, and again, it was not too fast, so you kind of understand what's going on. I would really appreciate, guys, if you drop a like, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to this channel. And if you know anybody who needs advertisement, ATM, claw machine, gumball machine, coin pusher, or massage chair, merchant services, somebody selling a house, give me a call. Or if you need money for your next fix and flip, although I do deal only into the Jacksonville market and I deal only with people that I really know and they have a good reputation, but give me a call. I will give you a referral fee if you refer me to any person who needs any of my services and I strike a deal with them. So that's it, guys. Keep hustling, and I'll see you next time.